fastest possible contagion algorithm with iGraph. I'm trying to write a contagion algorithm that creates an iGraph graph, lights up 4 random nodes with, say, a fire, state equals true, spreads the fire to another node if at least 10% of its neighbors are on fire. The node which spread the fire exhausted, state equals false. Stop when no node is on fire. Here's my code so far. It runs pretty slow on my computer, unfortunately, and I need to compute a lot of replicates. Is there a way to optimize this code, or maybe use a different method to perform a contagion in a much more efficient way? I based this algorithm on this URL. Edit. A run with Profiler provides a little more information. Count similarity uses up the most res sources by far.
I think you were duplicating your work. At each time step you check whether the vertex at hand infects others or not. Namely, you run count similarity only for the vertex at hand. Instead, you run it for all the neighbors of the vertex. Here is what I think the following code might work well. I have also changed the logic of the code. Now it's focused on the susceptibles and iterate through them. It's faster now, but one has to check the results for integrity. My change in the count similarity might have also made it a little bit faster.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.